Deep in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, this property gives you something rare: true isolation with a river at your doorstep. As you arrive at this Wild River Lodge estate, the road leads you deep into the forest where civilization quickly disappears. The surroundings open into 225 acres of untouched Northwoods terrain. dense timber, rolling land, and complete privacy in every direction. There are no nearby developments, no visible neighbors, and no noise beyond nature. Instead, you're surrounded by trails, wildlife, and the constant presence of the forest that defines this region of Michigan. One of the most valuable features of this property is the Paint River. The North Branch runs directly along the land, giving you private river frontage right on your own property. It's the kind of setting where you can fish, kayak, or simply sit by the water and experience complete silence and solitude. The acreage itself is massive and highly functional. With 225 acres, you have room for exploration, recreation, hunting, or long-term self-sufficient living. The property also borders state and federal land, extending your usable wilderness far beyond the official boundaries. At the center of it all is a cedar-sided lodge designed for comfort in a remote setting. Inside, warm wood interiors, hardwood floors, and a full wall of windows bring the forest and river views directly into the living space. The main living area is open concept, connecting the kitchen, dining, and living spaces around a wood-burning fireplace with an insert. This creates a central gathering point for warmth and comfort after long days outdoors. The upper level includes a spacious primary bedroom with river views and walk-in storage, along with additional bedrooms for guests or family. A major highlight is the detached garage with a fully finished upper level, complete with its own fireplace. This space can function as guest quarters, a retreat area, or a large group lodge space. It also includes workshop and storage areas. A second large pole barn adds even more utility for equipment and recreational storage. Near the river, a propane-heated sauna provides a true wilderness relaxation experience. The property is supported by solar power, a generator system, and hydroelectric capability, along with private well and septic. This is true Upper Peninsula living, remote, self-sufficient, and completely surrounded by nature and riverfront wilderness.